Aw, I hate being a sausage.
Ticket.
Oh, I don't have one.
What does perfect mean? I know. It means really, 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 really good.
Really, Nick?
I want another race. Can you help me beat Dad? Yeah, I want sherbet.
Okay, he won't let you win though.
That's true.
There's only one thing you can do.
Cheat! Yeah!
Yeah! Wait!
You didn't have to cut me off.
Come here, give me a smoochie.
He's leaving.
Why are you hopping?
I peed on my foot.
You can keep each other.
Works for me. You ready?
Ready?
Keep your arms up.
Oh my God! Did I make that a little too fun?
Yeah, you did.
Frankly, that's a skill issue.
What's going on?
Whose house? As I was running away from cops.
Do you have Instagram? Happy Mother's
New question.
Dad,
Yeah, mate.
can we get married?
Nah.
Yo, look who fell asleep. You already know. Yo!
What have you got there?
Oh, nothing, dear. But Rita? Everyone, the Queen is coming in.
Oh my God, bro.
Do that one song you was singing the other day. Bro, come on, bro.
Oh, our queen is so lovely and sparkly.
Lovely day for a drive.